Good evening. My name is Vijit Mandal, and now I'm presenting my project. And I have got the internship offer from Brainwave Metric Solution and have completed the first task. And I got the second task from the company. The second task is the social media sentiment analysis, Twitter. Now I'm going to start my uh, the description. Social media sentiment analysis in Twitter, and there is data visualization tool to create the insight. In that case, I have used the Power BI tool to create the insight. Okay. I have got the internship offer from this company. Overview of the project. Um, uh, Before going this part, I have to show my real data. Okay. uh, tweet ID, username, tweet text, date. These are the uh, column name, approx 12 column, and there is 50,000 data. You can see that. Okay, now go to the next slide. So this is our check key metrics: Twitter user likes, retweet, device user, which language is mostly used, and tweet user versus sentiment. I mean, I mean Twitter user characteristics against any type of uh, overall comment. Next part is Twitter user in top location. Uh, these are my mm, these are my mm, key metrics. Okay. Uh, these are the column name. I have used this Power BI tool to create the insight. Uh, this the sorry. This is the Power BI dashboard. Here you can click the click here, first click here and then click to select the data, and after select the data, you can view this diagram. And I want to tell you something about this point. uh, I mean, there is lots of blank data. There is lots. There are lots of blank data. In this project, I have not removed this blank data. I have used. I have. Uh, I I have created the insight by using blank data and without blank data. I mean, uh, I mean, with hashtag and without hashtag, and not mention user and mention user. That's why I have not removing the blank data, and I have checked all that data format is good. That's why I'm not going to transform data and I'm not going to the transform data. Then I click the load button. Okay, and after using this data file data, I have created this insight. You can see this data. Now I want to describe some point that will be very helpful. Uh, this is my overall dashboard design. Okay. Uh, uh, mm, Twitter user total Twitter user mostly use the Hindi language, and then English, and then Dutch, etc. And overall, Twitter user use the Android device. You can see, and uh, the source data for 2 months, June or July, and July. And I have taken this only 10 top location versus Twitter user, and overall Twitter characteristic is negative, or mm, and here you can see the Korea location take the first position, and then Congo location. Uh, these are the timing diagram, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. This is the day 5. This is the day 7. You can see this variation, and I will the share this Power file so that you can easily navigate the file and check my insight with this video. Sorry, I'll share the Power file along with my presentation file. Okay. Uh, this is the key metrics. I have mentioned those point, and I mm, I already typing here. Okay. The, Hindi language Hindi, mostly Hindi language use for tweet Twitter users sentiment, that is already shown. Okay, and from the inter visualization, from the inter uh, report, we have conclude few points. Okay, these are I have conclude few, and there is the timing version. I have already shown the main diagram. That go to the conclusion part. Uh, uh, Android user mostly use uh, Twitter user mostly use the Android device. Twitter user mostly use the Hindi language. That I have already shown in the diagram. Sorry, uh, uh, inside. Okay, no hashtag user mostly in Korea location, that I want to show. This is the sorry. Uh, no hashtag user. Going to this is my dashboard. Select all. Select all means with hashtag and without hashtag. When we mention that no hashtag, then we have to click only blank blank tab. Okay, you can see Korea location user take the first place. New hashtag. Uh, yes. So Korea location take the first place. Here you can see and in the Korea location, when click on Korea location, yes. So when you click Korea location must be the web version. Web version. Korea location Twitter user mostly use the web for tweet. And Hindi language of Korea location, Hindi language of Korea location take characteristic in positive. That means Korea location in Korea location, Twitter user mostly use use the Hindi language and those are very comfortable. That means positive. Overall, Korea location, Korea, sorry, overall overall Korea location user activity is neutral. Click here. First, I have to click here. Korea location. Yes, neutral, and you can navigate the file. Sorry, select all. This neutral, and I will share the file, and you can easily navigate mm, the you can easily see the diagram by clicking any option. Update, Twitter, here, Twitter user mostly use. Now let's go to the conclusion part. Uh, Overall, Congo location user activity is negative. That will be show you. Yes, negative. Okay, and in Congo location, language proficiency is better than other location. Other location, other location. That I show you language proficiency. This here I have already clicked here. You can see uh, for language it's above 20 m, 2 million. When we check the other language, other location, the two of them are below uh, 2 million. The location below below 1.5 million below. In but Congo location upper up from 2 million. And when you click on the other location, you can easily understand. I'll show. I'll share this survey file along with my this file. Okay, and this is my our small video. Uh, and one point I want to share with you that during this video I got noise from other side, so please listen uh, carefully. And uh, and also I want to inform one more point is that I have stammering problem. And in that case, the few words are mm, n- mm, mm, uh, mm, reachable to you. So kindly uh, listen by video and understand point of my view and the project uh, analysis. Thank you. And I will share this video in YouTube. And I am going to stop this video. Thank you. Good night.